Scene opens with cinematic rain pouring down on a classic Javanese village banana plantation, lush tropical trees, wet brown soil, and thick banana leaves swaying in the storm. Warm tones dominate the visuals. Mossy greens and damp earthy browns. A cute, tiny baby duck wearing a small woven backpack waddles nervously through the rain, looking left and right. The duck breathes heavily, water dripping from its beak. Suddenly, a giant, cheeky-looking rat appears behind a bush. Zoom in. The rat grins and dashes forward, splashing through puddles. The chase begins. The camera follows dynamically, low angle and smooth, tracking the baby duck as it flees flapping wings, slipping in the mud, but still running with determination. Halfway through, the duck hides under a large banana leaf, trembling. The rat slowly peeks from behind with an exaggerated cartoon smirk. Dialogue, in Javanese, sync lips with expressive motion. Anak bebek, gemetar, tapi luku. Adu, ojo mlayu, mlayu nono, tikus. Aku mong arabali ng oma, at tikus katawa santai. Hey lehla, aku mong pengen pinjam tas musitik. Ayok barengan wai. Anak bebek, panik tapi lucu. Ora iso, ikitas warisan simbah. Harga mati. Rat lunges playfully. Duck jumps and runs again. Slow motion moment with dramatic music swell. Rain gets heavier. They both eventually slip into a muddy puddle. End scene. They both sit drenched, laughing. Final shot. Text overlay while camera pulls up into the rainy treetops. Re. Persahabatan. Kadang diawali kejar-kejaran. Tone. Dramatic yet playful, like a Pixar short film. Duration. 1 minute. Style. 3D hyper-realistic cartoon. Smooth animation. Cinematic rain effects. Natural lip sync. And expressive facial animations. Aspect ratio. Vertical. 9:16. For shorts. Reels.